Bonsai and Daffodils. This class is particularly for 7th standard students. Class 7, this is your time now. So the class is going to be on poetry. The first poem titled as The Computer Swallowed a Grandma. See, the title itself is in a different form. The Computer Swallowed Grandma. It's a nice title, no? Amazing. It's today's current. Can a computer swallow a grandma? But in the poem, we are going to see whether the computer really swallowed the grandmother or not. And I would like you, the 7th standard students, to refer your books to page number 100. Bring your textbooks and turn it over to page number 100 to find this particular poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma. It's amazing, you know. You got it? Okay, right. Now here we go. The poet here is anonymous. It's not known to us. This particular poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma, is written by a poet whose name is not given. It's unknown. So that's why, that's what it means. Anonymous means unknown poet or unknown author. Anyhow, credit goes to the poet. It's written in the modern way to the modern world. So it's a nice poem. It's a kind of poem which you children will like it. And those of you got your books, refer your books to page number 100. I hope you have opened it. And you are given there 3 pictures other than the code. 3 pictures. The first one is a woman riding a scooty. And the second poem, second picture you see there, an old woman, a grandma. She is operating the system, and a hand alone comes to her neck, and it's going to pull her inside like. But in the second picture, the third picture, last one, you see there, she is already inside. The hand had pulled her inside the computer. Thus that picture, only her legs are remaining there, yet to go inside. You see there, it's a kind of funny picture, Those 2 pictures are really funny. Okay, so that's how it is, the poem is. And the theme of the poem is that the poet was chatting. Actually, the anonymous, the unknown poet was chatting with her grandma online. Those two were chatting through the online, and by mistake, the grandma, old people, they do not know to operate the system just like the youngsters. So she, while operating, by mistake, she pressed the control and enter keys. So she pressed the buttons, control and enter keys. Those children who are familiar with these keys, you may understand it better. So as soon as she pressed the control and enter keys, her image, that her picture vanished from the screen. Wow! So the poet who was listening to her talking, she was just surprised and shocked. Why? Where is my grandma? Where is my grandma? She was looking. So she was a little bit upset, and she thinks, wow, something terrible has happened to the grandma. So she feels that a virus has attacked her. Computer language, the virus has attacked grandma, and she has made a thorough search for her in the recycle bin and all the files and on the internet. Amazing, it's a kind of modern poem, So the poet, she searches for grandmother in the recycle bin, then all the files and on the internet. But however she made effort, to find, she could not find her. She could not find the lost grandmother. So what she did, she calls for a software engineer, Jeeves. That is the engineer's name, Jeeves. She told him, see, this way we were chatting, but my grandma is now missing out. I can't find her out. So what she did, you just find her out, she told him. And he also came, and he has started to search, but he could not find. So the engineer could not do this, finding out. He could not do it. So in the end, no, the poet requests all the readers to send email to Granny by copying, scanning, and pasting her if they happen to find her in their inbox. See what a nice things, no, using all the parts of the computer. And in the way it's supposed to go, the poet has requested all the readers to send email to her Granny by copying, scanning, and pasting her if they could really happen to find her in their inbox. And this is an amazing poem in this modern way, in the computer way, computer language. The poet has written. It has been made, I think, popular with all those people who are using this computers and software things. So this is how the poem ends, and this is an amazing or appealing poem to all the young children. You may like it further, and you have got lot of exercises here, and for which you need to go to page number 101. Go to page number 101 where you can find the question answers. So the glossary you just avoid, just read it. Devote means consumed, scream, turn, desperation, hopelessness. So this one you need not by heart, just have a look at and keep going to the exercises under B, title B. So read these lines and answer the questions given below. It's important, you know, you need to read and then the answer the questions. First line is, the computer swallowed grandma. That's a one line, you know. And the question is, who swallowed whom? Who swallowed whom? The computer swallowed the grandma. Okay, that's the answer. Now